When you're out there, or even out here, or here, safety is everything. The SABRE Aim and Fire Pepper Gel from the #1 trusted personal safety brand will help give you the confidence to enjoy every moment with peace of mind. Providing a 15-foot stream and featuring a durable pistol-like design for easy deployment and increased accuracy. With a grip safety to prevent accidental shots. The Aim and Fire kit includes an inert practice canister, as well as SABRE's industry-leading maximum strength pepper gel formula, with virtually no wind blowback, with 13 bursts per reloadable canister for protection against multiple threats at a safe distance, and UV marking dye to help police identify suspects. And with an industry-exclusive in-house testing lab, SABRE guarantees its maximum strength formula on every product. So no matter where you go, what you do, or where life takes you, the SABRE Aim and Fire Pepper Gel helps give you the confidence to live life your way. SABRE, make it safe.